Hello paper crafters, I hope you are doing great. Today I'm going to make a simple shaped card that would work for nearly all occasions. I'll be using some simple mixed media techniques to create some textures and shine, and I'm also going to use a bunch of poppy stamps dies. To create the shape of the card, I'm going to use the largest die from STITCHWORK Circle Frames die set, plus the matching plain circle. I will need 3 plain circles as well as 3 frames. My focal image is going to be this beautiful goldfish die. I am centering it on one of the circles, taping it down, and then I'm going to send it through the die cutting machine. As always, the tools and supplies I'm using are listed down below in the description box as well as on my blog. So now we have a circle with a fish-shaped window in it. Now I'm going to place this circle into the Woodgrain embossing folder, and I'm going to make sure that the lines are going horizontally. This way they will remind the waves. So this is the result that we are going to get. To make the embossed pattern stand out even more, I'm going to apply some metallic rub-on paint. This is a wax-based paint. It's pretty inexpensive and it's very long-lasting. I have mine for nearly 4 years now. I'm simply rubbing it on with the finger, and this is what the project looks like at the moment. Next, I'm going to do some heat embossing using clear and silver ultra-high powders by Wow. Ultra-high means that they are large-grained. So I have applied some VersaMark ink onto the plain circle, and then I'm adding the clear powder. You can see how bulky it is, and it's going to create some beautiful texture and shine. Now I'm heat setting the powder, and when all the powder is melted, I'm going to apply quickly some silver onto it. I'm just sprinkling it, not covering the entire surface completely, and then I'm heat setting it again. Those silver sprinkles look a lot like stars or fish scales. I have decided to apply more ink, and now I'm using the window as the stencil, and I'm adding more silver onto the fins and the tail, and then I'm heat setting it one more time. Then I'm going to take the circle with the window, and I'm applying some liquid adhesive at the wrong side. Then I'm going to place it onto the heat embossed circle, and this is what it looks like. I have die cut the goldfish image out of silver mirror cardstock. Now I'm applying some liquid glue at the wrong side, and I'm going to stick down this image right inside the shaped window. The glue I'm using is Ranger Multimedia Matte. I have stuck 3 frame die cuts together for more dimension, and now I am attaching this frame onto my card, again using the liquid glue. This last plain circle is going to be the backside of my card. I'm placing it onto the scoring board, and I'm creating the flap just like that. Then I'm applying some glue onto this flap and sticking it to my card. This way the card can stand on a surface, and you'll also have some space to write down a personal message. This die is called bobbin rings. Again, I've created several layers. The topmost one is silver mirror cardstock, and now I'm attaching it onto my card. I'm just making sure it does allow my card to stand straight on the surface. When the glue is dry, I'm ready to add some finishing touches. I will be attaching some clear droplets right onto the card all around the fish. The ones I'm using are by Cat Scrappiness. They come in 3 different sizes. To attach them, I'm using a Ranger Multimedia Matte again. Now it looks a bit white, but it will be completely clear when it dries. Then I'm also going to use Silver Liquid Drops by Nuvo to create some texture on my frame. I'm not sure if you can see, but there are some tiny holes all around the frames, and I'm simply adding one drop onto each of the holes, and this is how it looks like when it's dry. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. Have a beautiful weekend, and I hope to see you again really soon. Bye bye!